Color selection functions as another critical expressive tool, purposefully integrated across feature walls, soft furnishings, and key decorative objects. Utilizing the immediately identifiable MCM palette of muted olive, vibrant saffron, fiery sienna, or crisp aqua to establish lively points of visual contrast and effectively mitigate the structural rigidity of the home's straight lines. Furthermore, the light fittings themselves are designed to operate as genuine, freestanding pieces of kinetic art, frequently taking forms recognizable from the period, such as striking Sputnik constellations, elegantly multifaceted drop pendants, or sleek, arched floor lamps that powerfully delineate the functional zones and firmly anchor the design in its historical context. The architectural design of the interior space is an exemplary study in maximizing spatial efficiency, cleverly translating the MCM's fundamental principle of open concept living to meet the unique challenges inherent in a compact mobile home, in order to successfully maintain the crucial illusion of unhindered, expansive flow. The designers have maximized the penetration of natural illumination by incorporating generous, geometrically shaped pane windows and thoughtfully positioned high-level clearstory lights. These transparent surfaces are strategically oriented to perfectly frame views and systematically dismantle the visual separation between the comforting interior space and the perpetually shifting exterior scenery, thereby directly fulfilling the mid-century desire for an organic merging of internal and external environments. The choice of interior furnishings is rigorously dictated by its adherence to the specific design period, featuring low-profile, deliberately minimalist pieces, characterized by slender, angled legs and strong horizontal planes. Seating elements, dining surfaces, and occasional chairs are selected not only for their genuine historical aesthetic, but also for their embedded capability for multi-purpose use and their appropriate scale, ensuring that every precious square meter is fully optimized for both physical comfort and visual impact. Highly customized structural storage solutions are critically important, seamlessly merging with the integrated millwork and wall paneling to keep all household necessities completely out of sight. A functional imperative that perfectly aligns with the MCM's core stylistic tenet of maintaining absolute, uncluttered simplicity.